2015 Chevy Silverado rear shocks. All I'm gonna do is raise it up and jack it up, support it properly. And then I'm gonna jack up the rear end a little bit and support it. And the bolts is a 21 millimeter, the nut's a 21 millimeter. Loosened up the bolt and the nut. So now it's loose in there. And then I can go and remove the upper bolt. I just need to remove the bolt. The nut is welded up there on top. So this is a 21 also. And I got it loose, and here it is. What I'll do is I'll put some anti-seize on it when I go back together. And the same thing with the bottom one. Let's see if it falls straight out. There it is, ready to go. Move it back and forth, and there she bees. I like to use Monroe's. This is the reflex I'm putting in on the back. It worked out pretty good. Okay, do both sides the same way. Driver's side, you get good access to it right there. Good access to it right there. Super easy. So, here we go. All right, put some anti-seize on my bolt. Got my bolt started. Got a couple threads started on it. It's in there. So now all I gotta do is get the bottom lined up. Might have to push the shock up a little bit to get the bolt in. Other than that, no problem. Okay, got the bottom bolt in. Snug it up and go ahead and tighten it up to 75 foot-pounds. After you got the bottom one done, go on top and tighten that one up also because you left that one loose. Okay, torque them 75 foot-pounds. Do the other side exactly the same way. And you can remove your jack stand and then lower the vehicle down to the ground. And that's how you can do your rear shocks, okay? So hopefully I helped you out with this video. Hopefully you can help me out by subscribing to me. I appreciate it. Appreciate all you guys. Thank you.